welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to prepare Raphei Hoksa, which is a delicious chili pork stew of the Tangkul Naga tribe from northeast India. The dish is traditionally prepared with a Raphei variety of chili powder, which particularly grows in the Ukhrul district of Manipur. However, you can replace it with any chili powder. The recipe is easy and slow cooking will do all its trick. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell notification so that you never miss an update. Now let's check out the ingredients. Pork chopped into chunky pieces, chili powder and salt. Let's start cooking. Take a heavy bottomed pan or pot, add 2 liters of water, your chunky pork pieces and salt as per taste. Stir it with only a wooden ladle. Cover and cook it on a low flame for 1 hour, occasionally stirring in between. Now add your chili powder, which should be in a 1:10 ratio. Stir it well and let it cook on a low flame for another 1 hour, gently stirring in between. Once the stew achieves your desired consistency, our delicious Raphei Hoksa is ready to be served. Here is the dish. The dish looks utterly delicious and beautiful. The red chilies have made it look so appealing, while the pork is hearty and melts in your mouth. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And now it's time for me to dig in.